Hi, this is Ying. Welcome to my channel Simply Globish, where I make learning Swedish easier and more fun. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful techniques that will help you boost your Swedish vocabulary quickly. And at the end, I'll show you how to get my free vocabulary lists with practical techniques which I created just for you. So stay with me until the end. But before we dive in, you might be asking yourself, why should I learn Swedish with you? That's a fair question. After all, I'm not a native Swedish speaker, and I'm not a native English speaker either. I'm just a Chinese woman with a dream and a passion. So let me give you a few reasons. First, I learned Swedish in just 6 months, when I was almost 34. Why? Because I moved to Sweden to join my partner, and I needed to build my life here, to understand, to be understood, and to truly belong. I developed techniques that helped me learn fast, and now I want to share them with you. If I could do it, you can too. Second, I know the challenges you face, both technical and emotional. I've learned 2 foreign languages to a proficient level, so I've been exactly where you are. That means I can help you overcome the same hurdles. And third, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about culture. I've been living and working in Sweden for over 10 years with my Swedish partner, so I can give you insights from the inside. But let me be clear, if your goal is to sound exactly like a native Swede, I'm not the right teacher. My pronunciation is good, but not perfect. For that, I recommend listening to Swedish news and speeches by native speakers. What I can give you is practical techniques and cultural understanding that make learning Swedish faster and more enjoyable. Alright, enough about me. Let's jump into the 3 techniques that will boost your vocabulary.
Technique number 1. The tion trick. Many Swedish words ending in tion are spelled just like in English and mean the same thing, only pronounced differently. Examples: presentation, station, position, tradition. This is a set of words you basically already know. Technique number 2. Add era to verbs. In many cases, you can turn an English verb into Swedish by adding the suffix era. For example, inform to informera, absorb to absorbera, present to presentera. Technique number 3. Compound nouns, the Lego of Swedish. One of the most fun features of Swedish is compound nouns. You combine simple words to make new ones. Examples: mat plus bord, matbord, dining table, last plus bil, lastbil, lorry. The last one is classic. Barn plus barns, plub plus barn, barnbarnsbarn, great-grandchild.
Of course, you'll need some basic vocabulary first, but once you have the foundations, you can start creating real Swedish words all on your own. And to help you with that, I've made a PDF document full of examples for each of these techniques, in-depth explanations, and more. You'll find the link in the description. Download it for free and start practicing. Simply Globish is a new channel dedicated to free language education. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe so I can keep making more content for you. See you in the next video, and lycka till with your Swedish learning.